A guy has a monster that loves watching TV and eating popcorn. Whenever someone upsets him, the monster gets revenge for its owner. But 3 days ago, it was just a chicken foot. One day, the guy found it while taking a walk and brought it home. While working, he accidentally knocked over a beer bottle. As he was cleaning up the mess, he noticed the chicken foot was sucking up the beer from the table. Instead of being scared, the guy put the chicken foot in a Tupperware container and stuck it in the fridge. The next day, the guy opened the fridge and the chicken foot was gone. After looking around, he found it on the floor, and it had gone from 1 foot to 2. He reached out to touch it, and the chicken feet grabbed his hand. In less than 24 hours, the chicken feet had grown into a full arm. The guy started studying it with a magnifying glass, and put the arm in the freezer and locked it. That night, while the guy was working, his bedroom door opened by itself. He turned around and there was the monster drinking water. Seeing it meant no harm, he decided to name it Bob. Bob loved watching TV and eating popcorn. Just then the debt collector called. The guy got mad and slammed down the phone. Bob looked worried and reached out to comfort him. The next day, Bob brought back the debt collector's heart.
Azal now.